Ipinaliwanag ni Gilas Pilipinas head coach Tim Go na crucial ang kanilang magiging laban kontra Guam sa 2027 FIBA World Cup Asian Qualifiers. May report sa teammate Jamaica Bayaka.
Isang matinding away game ang kakarapin ng Gilas Pilipinas men's basketball team kontra Guam sa Biyernes, November 28 dahil kailangan ang maagang panalo para sa pag-asa sa 2027 FIBA World Cup Qualifiers. Bagaman mas mataas ang world ranking ng Pilipinas, binigyang diin ni Coach Tim Con na delikado pa rin ang Guam lalo na't nasa home court ang kalaban na pinangungunahan ni Jericho Cruz at ng 6'11" center na si Jonathan Galloway. Dapat din bantayan sina Gabriel Simon na may 31% 3-point shooting at Ty Wesley na may footwork na ikinumpara ni Cone kay Sean Chambers.
It's a whole different ball game when you're playing at home. You know, players play differently in front of their home crowd, in their home court. It's a completely different thing, and that's what we're going to have to overcome. You look at the way we played New Zealand at home, and how well we played New Zealand at home, and how hard it was for us to beat New Zealand at their home. Home court means something. And that's why this Friday game is really crucial to us.
Kung hindi mananalo ang pambansang koponan sa Window 1, mababa na ang chances sa World Cup spot at mabubura ang pag-asa ng team na makapag Los Angeles Olympics. Kaya paliwanag ng Vicente 7 Anyos coach, kinakailangan ng koponan na makuha ang top 3 finish para umusad sa susunod na round at mapabilang sa top 7 teams sa Asia.
We have to have a record that's at least third place so we can advance into the second round. And so after the second round, we have to be one of the top 7 teams in all of Asia to make it to the World Cup. Qatar's in, they're number 8, so we have to get to the top 7. And you look at some of the teams out there, you can count maybe 9 teams that all of them, any of them could make the World Cup.
Ngayon, nasa 12-man lineup ng Gilas ang hamon na magpasimula ng malakas at iabante ang bansa sa susunod na yugto ng qualifiers. Pagkatapos ng away game, babalik ang Gilas sa December 1 para sa home match sa Ateneo Blue Eagles Gym. Isang malaking bentahe dahil sa home crowd support na maaaring magbigay ng kumpiyansang kailangan ng team.
But these 2 wins that we have are going to be carried over all the way to the end if we can get those 2 wins. And if not, then that loss is going to be carried over. We won't make it. These 2 games are the most important games we play.
Jamaica Bayaka para sa atletang Pilipino, para sa bagong Pilipinas.